Hey guys, let's check out a demo of Post Affiliate Pro and go through a little tour of the software and how it works. So first of all, what is Post Affiliate Pro? Well, it's a complete affiliate program software ready to go straight out of the box. So what that means is you sign up for an account with Post Affiliate Pro with us, and it's ready to go. It's hosted by us in the cloud. No need to configure any server, nothing like that. You sign up, you get the account, and it's ready to go here. Now, you will need to integrate our tracking software into your site, but we actually offer that for free in our free trial, and we will go over that in more detail in another video. But for now, let's just take a tour of the actual software, how that looks, and what it can do. So this is me logged into our merchant panel here. So this is the admin panel, and this is what you'll get when you sign up. Here's how it looks. So let's go through each of the sections here, and let me explain what they do. So first of all, we got our home screen here. So this is going to be when you log in to give you a quick snapshot of the day. You're going to be able to see clicks, commissions, impressions, refunds. Then we got total cost of transactions over the last 30 days. We got some pending tasks here. And then we got news from us, actually, so about your Post Affiliate Pro account, updates, things like that. So this is all customizable as well. You can change the theme of the account. You can change what is displayed on the home page. So this is customizable. Now on the left here, we got the Getting Started guide. So you can click on this and actually go through the Getting Started guide here. You can go through each of these steps. You can click on each one. They'll give you some tips. They even have videos down here. So recommend going through this as well. This will help you get set up in the account and get everything going. Now the next section here we have is the campaigns. So the campaign section here, this is where you will define your ongoing campaigns with Post Affiliate Pro. So this is going to be for if you want to promote certain products, if you want to do private campaigns where only certain banners or promo materials are available for certain affiliates. You're going to be able to set all of that up here. So you got your campaign manager, you've got campaign categories. This is if you want to group your campaigns together. Then we also have the performance rewards section here. This is going to be where you're setting up your rules for campaigns to automatically move affiliates into higher commission groups, or if you want to give them a bonus. You'll be able to set up these rules here that can do just that. So you'll add a rule, select which campaign this rule is for, and then you're just going to do some if-then statements here. So you'll see your conditions here. If the number of sales approved in this month is higher than 1,000, then we can give them a bonus. So as you can see, there's just an example. You can set up multiple rules here. Let's see if I can add this. This is going to be mandatory here. So we'll just do add bonus commission, $500, right? So just like that, you can add rules, and you can create as many of these as you need to further customize how you want your campaign to run. So that's going to be set up in the campaigns here as well. Then we have the banners section here. So in the banners section, this is where you're going to add all of your promotional materials. So banners, promo materials, links, all that's going to be created here. We do have a banner manager section where you're able to upload these links, banners. You'll just click add a banner here, and you're going to be able to create one and upload that stuff here. All of your affiliates will have their own login as well. They're going to have an affiliate panel, and I'll show you guys that in a second. But once you upload your banners here, the affiliates will be able to log in. They'll be able to see those banners, grab them, and use them to promote your program. Then down below, we're going to have the affiliate manager section. So this is where you'll be seeing all of your affiliates who sign up for your program. Now, your account does come with an affiliate sign-up form that you can embed in your site, or you can use the one hosted with us as well. When the affiliates sign up, they're going to appear in this affiliate manager section here. So from here, you're going to see all of your affiliates who have signed up. You can see if they're pending or approved. We support a manual approval process if you want to go through each one, or if you want them automatically approved, that's an option as well. So from here, you're going to be able to see all of your affiliates who've signed up. Here's their name. We can click edit on them. We can see all the details they've provided when signing up. You know, their stats, their payouts, tracking info about them, all that good stuff you'll be able to see here. Then we have the affiliate tree section. This is where you're going to be able to see the affiliates, and if they've referred or signed up any sub-affiliates, that's going to show up here. So you can see here this test affiliate. He has one sub-affiliate. We can click on him here and see all of his child affiliates here. So the system by default does support multi-tiers and parent-child affiliates. So if, let's say an affiliate sends out a link and a customer clicks on it, buys a product from your store, and then signs up as an affiliate later on, the system's going to be able to recognize that and assign them as a child affiliate automatically. Now, there are a few other options here, direct link URLs. This is if your affiliate has their own website or blog, for example. You can add that here, and then any traffic coming from that site will automatically be assigned to that affiliate. So we do support direct links as well. Next section here we got is the transactions. So this is where you're going to see all clicks and sales coming into the system. So we got our clicks list first of all here. It's going to show you all clicks. Anytime someone clicks on an affiliate link or a banner, it's going to show up here. You're going to be able to see the affiliate's name, the campaign it was in, the country code, even where it's coming from, referral ID as well. So like this one's coming from Google, it looks like here, and then IP address as well. So this is going to show all clicks coming in. Then we have the commission section. This is going to show all clicks that were converted to a sale or a sign up. So any conversion is going to show up in this commissions list here. Now let's go into the reports section. So besides the transactions, we also do have pretty extensive reporting as well. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of sections here. You can go through these on your trial account, check them out. There's a lot of reports. You're going to get quick reports. You're going to get trend reports here. You're going to be able to see click-through ratios. You're going to be able to see conversion rates, all of that here. And all of these are exportable to CSV file as well. If you want to work with them in different softwares, you can do that also. So as you can see here, we have tons of reports here, and you can export them to CSV with this button here. Now, the next section we got is the payouts section. So how the payouts work with our software is we are not actually the the payment processor. So our software is strictly a tracking software. We're going to keep track of all the commissions owed to the affiliates. So from this section, you'll be able to see all those commissions owed to the affiliates. You can see up here, payout statistics, how much you paid, payouts history, and how much you owe the actual affiliates here. And down below, we can click pay affiliates. So this is where you're going to go to actually pay the affiliates. So how it works with us is when you're ready to actually pay them, you're going to go here, select the affiliates you want to pay, or all of them, click label as paid. And this is actually going to generate a mass pay file that you can then use in your payment processor. So if you're using PayPal to pay your affiliates or bank transfer, this payout file will be used by them. So it's going to create a CSV file that you can then upload into your payment processor and pay all of your affiliates at once. We have an email section here. So we do have a built-in email system. You can connect your email account to Post Affiliate Pro directly. And then from this email section, you can send out emails to your affiliates directly from here. So you want to send it out to a certain list of affiliates, you can. You'll see up here, we got all affiliates. We can do approved affiliates. We can do pending or join just this month. You can even define your own filter of affiliates. So if you have certain groups of affiliates, you can define that group and then send a message to just them. And also the affiliates have a section to contact you as well. So in their panel, they can email you as well. And down below, we have some sections here for configurations where you're going to see all of your settings. We got tools for setting up the account. This is where you get your tracking codes that you'll be able to add to your site. So all of that is covered there. So that's the general overview of the admin panel, the merchant panel. So let's take a look at the affiliate panel next here. So I'm going to just log in as one of our affiliates. Let's go to Affiliate Manager here. And let's just go, let me scroll down and let's log in as our test affiliate here. So we can click edit. And you can actually log in as the affiliate from here directly if you want to check out how it looks for the affiliates. So this button right here, we're going to have log into affiliate panel. All right, so here is the affiliate panel here. Now, once again, this is fully customizable. You're going to get access to theme files to customize the affiliate panel from the admin panel. So this is just how it looks by default here. This is the home screen, which you can customize as well, what stats you want them to see. They'll be able to see that here. Some contact info for you as well if you want. Again, this is up to you. So you can see it's the same layout as before. They have a getting started guide here that you can customize as you want. They have this is a custom page we've actually added. So you can even add your own tabs on the left side here as well with info or links outside the software. So this is up to you. Then they got the promotion section. So this is basically all the banners and links you've uploaded in the admin panel. So this is where they'll go to grab links. So they can see here, first of all, campaigns they're in. They can see the list of campaigns, and let's say this is their campaign here, first campaign. They can click show banners. They can see the commission. Okay, this one's 10% per sale. Let's show the 13 banners. It's going to open up the banners here. We can scroll down to the banners, and here they are. So here's our first banner. This is actually just a link. But yeah, they'll be able to see images, links you've uploaded, each one of these. They'll be able to get the banner code, and then they can begin using these or promoting with them. So then they also have report sections as well. So affiliates will have access to their own reporting also. They can see their overview here, clicks, impressions, CTR, sales, all that good stuff's going to be here. They have trends reports as well. They have their commission list, so this is going to show all of their conversions. You can customize what is actually shown here as well. If you want them to see the order ID or what products they're selling, you can do that. They also got a clicks list, so they can see how their clicks are doing. If they're getting new clicks, unique or repeated, that's going to show up here as well. Payouts, they got payout history, sub-affiliate sales stats, so they can see how their sub-affiliates are doing. If they're bringing in more revenue or clicks, they'll actually be able to see that here as well. Tree of sub-affiliates, they can actually see their a graphic of who they've referred. So if you have a pretty extensive system going on, they can actually see that in its entirety, and it will actually show built out here as a tree graphic. Then down below, they have some other options where they can change their profile. They can contact you. There's an affiliate panel tutorial video as well. This is from us. But then again, these are actually customizable. We recommend you customize these a little bit more to your program. FAQ here. This is going to be totally customizable by you. This is just an example we have written up. And then of course they got some more information here about direct links, email notifications they can set for themselves as well. So yeah, that's basically how the affiliate panel operates here. At the top of the screen, I did forget to mention this is where they'll find their general affiliate links. So this This will be their link. Once they sign up, they can just start promoting right away. It's usually your home screen. And if you want to add more links to the top of the screen, you can. You can do that as well. That's perfectly fine. But yeah, thanks for checking it out, guys. This is just a general overview of the system and software. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to us, and we'll be glad to, answer those for you or show you more in depth. So yeah, thanks again.